Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the rubber hose washer inside of your hose. The reason why you might have to do this is because the hose is leaking. For this repair, all you'll need is a pair of channel locks. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our washer model that we'll be using for this demonstration. It's a Kenmore. Keep in mind, what you have at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. So as you can see here, we've got a bad hose. It's leaking pretty badly. So you're going to want to make sure your water is turned off. And now we can disconnect the hose with our channel locks. Keep in mind, when you take the hose off, there probably will still be some water in the line. So try not to spill that all over yourself. There we go. So as you can see here, we've got water dripping down our wall, and that's never a good thing either. So you want to get that cleaned up as soon as you notice the leak, because otherwise it's going to ruin your paint and possibly cause a mold issue down the road. So as you can see here, this is our old rubber hose washer. It's a bit chewed up and worn away, and that's why we've got a leak in our hose. So we can remove this old washer. Just like that. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement hose washer. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now we'll put our new washer inside of our hose. All you have to do is press it down all the way around the edge so it sits nice and flush on the inside of the hose. There we go. Now it's ready to screw back on. Now we'll attach it back to our wall. And finish tightening it up with our channel locks. So now we're going to turn our water back on really slowly just to make sure there's no leaks. And we've got it all the way on now. And you can see there's no leak on there. So now you can finish hooking everything else back up and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.